Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and in today's video we have given a question. 4x times 4 power negative 2 equals to 8. Let's provide the solution very quickly, so that here we have 4 power x times 4 power negative 2 equals to 8. So that here we know that here we can say 4 power x over 4 squared equals to 8. This is what we have right here. So due to cross multiplication, we shall get 4 power x, right? And this will be equal to, here this is 4 times 2, then times 4 squared. And this will be here 4 power x, which is equal to 2 power 3 times 2, here 2 power 4 as the number that we have right there. 4 power x here will be 2 power 7, right? So that here, in order to make same base, we shall get what? 2 power here, 2 power x, 2 power 2x here will be equal to 2 power 7. So that here we have 2x, which equals to here 7. So that here our x will be 7 divided by 2. Right. Now we can check if our answer is correct here. Because here we have given 4 power x times here 4 power negative 2 is equals to 8. To mean that here we have, by changing them into base 2, we have 2 power 2x times here 2 power 2 times the negative 2 right here, which is equal to 8. And this is 2 power 2x times 2 power negative 4 equals to 8. Now what do we have here? We have 2 power 2 times 7 over 2, then times 2 power negative 4 equals to 8. And of course here we have 2 power 7 times 2 power negative 3, 4 equals to 8. And of course we shall get 2 power 3, which is equals to 8. And of course here we have 8, which is equals to 8. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.